Good morning, sixth grade. Miss Rowe and myself are very proud of those students who have completed and have shared their comments on Google Classroom. Thank you for working so hard, even though we are all out of school. Just so you know, Miss Rowe and I are constantly checking the Google Classroom page to make sure you guys are doing everything you need to do. And thank you so much for commenting. So Miss Hero just posted another announcement. It says, "Good morning, 6B. I would like to hear back from you to check in and if you have discussion questions about the book." So it could be as simple as you responding to that comment. Hello, Miss Hero. I was wondering about this character in Hoot. The one boy that runs through the neighborhood. Through the neighborhood. Why is he running? Post. And it's that simple. So we want you to respond to these questions. It shows us that you're still reading. Now, obviously, since I already asked that very obvious question, you can't steal my question. So come up with something better. Also, keep in mind that there were some comments from yesterday. Hello, 6B. I hope you're enjoying Hoot. And some people commented. Mr. O and myself were able to comment back. Just so you know, for my book clubs, Kayvon, Brady, Josiel, Bam, Michael, Samantha, Yaniel, I posted specific instructions for you to complete for your book clubs. So look at that. That's online. And I'm also going to post the Hoot audiobook from YouTube. So if you're struggling with reading the book by yourself, I'm going to post that. So if you want, you can actually read along with another teacher that reads the Hoot book out loud. Now, chapter 1, I think, goes up through the first 20 pages, but I'm going to post chapter 2 today also. So keep a lookout for that. And besides that, you can reach Miss Hero or myself at any time and keep reading, keep commenting, and don't forget to work on your March journals. All right, guys, have a great day and learn something new.